So, you are new to Blender, you learned the basics of Blender, now, you want to get your hands on cloth simulation, but it's a bit confusing. In this video, I am gonna cover everything you need to know about cloth simulation in Blender. So, without further ado, let's start a tutorial. Here we are, in Blender. I will delete everything. Add a sphere. And shade it smooth. For cloth, add a plan, because it's perfect for cloth. Scale it as much you like. Grab it up so it is not intersecting with the sphere. Now, if we play it, nothing's happening, it's because it is not a cloth yet. So, select the plan and go to the Physics Properties tab and give it Cloth Physics. Now, if we play it, it's falling, but it's not colliding with the sphere. So, select the sphere and go to the Physics Properties tab again, but this time, give it Collision Physics. Now, if we play it, it's colliding with the sphere, but it's not reacting like a cloth. If we go to Edit mode, we can see there is not enough geometry, it's just one face, but we need more, so subdivide it 10 times. Now, if we play it, it's reacting like a cloth. But we can make it better. First, apply the scale. Always remember to apply the scale. Now go to the Modifiers tab and give it a Subdivision Surface modifier to give it more geometry. Now, if we play it, it's reacting the same. That is because it's subdividing after the cloth, so place the subdivision modifier above the cloth and set it to 2 to make it even better. Now, if we play it, it's better. Shade it smooth. But as you can see, there are still some jagged edges. So, give it another subdivision modifier after the cloth and set it to 2 for better results. As you can see, the jagged edges are gone now. But there is still a problem. If we play it again, we can see it's intersecting with itself. To fix it, go to the first frame, select the cloth, and go to the Physics Properties tab. Scroll down, and enable Self-Collision. Under Collision. Now, if we play it, it's not intersecting anymore. I think I have covered all the basics. Now, let's move on to the next example, to learn about pinning and animating the cloth. So, I will add a plan. It will be our floor, so I will name it floor. Now, add another plan for the cloth. Go to Edit mode, and subdivide it 20 times. So, we have enough geometry to work with. Now, give it cloth physics, and give the floor collision physics. Now, it's reacting like a cloth. Now, let's talk about how to pin it. So, go to the first frame. Select the cloth and go to Edit mode. Select any vertex, or Alt-click any edge, to select the whole edge. Now, go to the Object Data Properties. Add a new vertex group. And assign them to it. I will name it pin. Go out of Edit mode. Now if we play it, nothing is happening. That's because we haven't added this vertex group as pin group in the cloth physics. So go to the Physics Properties tab. Scroll down. And open Shape. And select the pin group as pin group. Now if we play it, it's pinned. Shade it smooth. And add a subdivision after the cloth physics to make it even smoother. Now, let's talk about how to animate it. So go to Edit mode, select the pinned vertices, and hit Ctrl-H, and hook it to a new object. Now, if we play the animation, and move the empty, it's not working correctly. So select the cloth, and go to the Modifiers tab, and place the hook above the cloth. Now, it will work. Now, select the empty, and hit I to animate it. Don't worry if the cloth is not following the empty, it will be fine once we bake it. Now, go to the Physics Properties tab. Scroll down. Open Cache. And bake the animation. Always remember to save your file after baking. Now if we play it, you can see it's playing in real time now. I think I have covered everything you need to know about pinning and animating the cloth, so let's move on to the third example to learn about pressure settings. So I will add a plan and name it floor again. Add another plan and grab it up. Go to edit mode. Subdivide it 10 times. Hit E to extrude it. Select this faces. Enable auto merge. And cycle them down to merge them. Now, it has some space for the pressure. Make sure to disable auto merge. Shade it smooth. And give it a subdivision modifier. Set it to 2. Add cloth physics here or in the Physics Properties tab. Now, scroll down. And enable pressure. Now if we play it, the pressure is not working. And also, give the plan collision physics. Select the plan. And give it a pressure value of 20. Now, if we play it, the pressure is working, and it's looking like a pillow now. Add another subdivision at end to make it smooth. If you want to apply it, make sure to apply the subdivision first, otherwise, it will not work. So, apply subdivision first, and then the cloth. I have pretty much covered everything you need to know about cloth simulation in Blender. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments, what tutorial would you like to see next? I will see you in the next video. Take care.